Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an uncontested divorce in New York. First, confirm that you and your spouse agree on all key issues, such as asset division, debt, and child custody. Next, verify that you meet New York's residency rules, which typically involve living in the state for a specific period. Finally, begin collecting all relevant personal and financial documents needed for the process. Once you've confirmed agreement and residency, you'll need to complete several crucial forms. Start with the summons with notice or summons and complaint, which officially begins the case. Don't forget the UCS 111 form, also known as the request for judicial intervention. Additionally, prepare the affidavit of defendant and any other required supporting documents to ensure a smooth filing process. After preparing your forms, the next critical step is proper service. You must legally serve your spouse with the divorce papers, ensuring they receive official notification. Following service, you'll need to file proof of this action with the court. Then, patiently wait for the designated response period to elapse, which is typically 20 days if served personally within New York. To finalize your uncontested divorce, you'll submit the proposed judgment of divorce along with the findings of fact and conclusions of law. Double-check that all financial affidavits are thoroughly completed and accurate, as these are vital. While uncontested cases often avoid extensive court appearances, be prepared to attend any conferences or hearings if the court deems them necessary for final approval.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.